Whenever you get a pimple, you probably want it to heal quickly. But sometimes, acne blemishes leave a dark mark on your skin even after the pimple is gone. This is frustrating, but not uncommon. Getting rid of these dark spots on your skin starts with understanding what causes them in the first place. When a pimple pops up on your skin, it's technically a form of inflammation. And as your skin heals and new skin cells form, it's possible that the cells sent to help restore your skin's smooth surface contain too much melanin. Today in this video we will share with you ways to get rid of acne and pimples, blackheads, dark spots, sunburn with toothpaste in just 2 minutes before starting. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So first we need lemon. They are a wonderful source of calcium, vitamin C, magnesium and potassium, all of which help improve the appearance and condition of our skin, hair, and nails. The benefits of lemon for your skin are wide-ranging and can be simply integrated into your regime by starting your day with a glass of lemon water to wake up your digestive system and increase your energy by flushing out toxins and hydrating your whole body, giving you an extra zing in your step. Second, we need toothpaste. Maybe you do not know, but toothpaste is not only used to clean teeth, but toothpaste is useful in the solution of all skin problems such as stains, acne, deep spots and wrinkles. Toothpaste is not only even useful for women, but men can also use it for their skin. Toothpaste helps improve your skin color. Substantial properties in toothpaste are helpful in removing stains of skin. Third, we need rose water. Rose water is flavored water prepared by soaking rose petals in water. Rose water comes with great benefits when it comes to skincare. It is suitable for all skin types, including the most sensitive skin. Rose water has been a popular beauty ingredient since ancient times and is often found in beauty products for its rejuvenating, soothing and calming properties. It also has antiseptic properties and is often used to impart glow to the skin. Here are some ways you can incorporate rose water in your beauty regimen to get glowing skin. Mix it well. Mix it well. Ready for apply on your face. How to use. Wash your face. Apply the mix to properly cleansed face, neck area as well. Leave this on for about 20 minutes. Rinse off with cold water. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.